So here I just want to kind of show what I usually will carry around town or in the morning, or this is one I carry a lot. So I got the CRKT spew around my neck. This is in D2. Kubi-Kois. It's riding in my right pocket. And here I've got a Vosteed pouch. This side, it's a really well built pouch. I'm very impressed with this. It's got this side. It's got a nice place for your patches. Don't forget to do something kind for somebody. Right here, it's got a zipper. Put whatever in here. I've got some coins and stuff in here right now. Then we got the top zipper. I don't have much in here. Right now I've got just one of those knife wipes in there. You can put your wallet in there, whatever. So then on this, I've usually got another fixed blade, or another folder. This one being the Kubi Silo, which is freaking awesome. Great knife. And these little mini Olites are awesome. You can get these for like 10 bucks. Actually, you can get them for like 5. Sometimes they have them where you just pay for shipping. But these little buggers are bright. And for how small they are just perfect for your little EDC pouches. And in the center here, I've got a little titanium pry bar. It's pretty cool. The wrench is in there, a little pry here, bottle opener. And then I put it's a hair tie. So when I have it down in there, I can pull it out easy. Boop. And over here, I got one of these little pens that you can put together. This one is OCD for EDC, and I'm sure y'all know them. Yeah, this is a nice little pen. I actually enjoy this thing. It writes really smooth. But yeah, that's usually what I'm carrying, knife wise. I usually have two folders and a small fixie. Sometimes I'll have more, but I always will have this pouch. Yeah, that's usually what I carry. Thanks.